Hello friends, myself Arnab and welcome to my YouTube channel Arnab's World. Friends, we all know in today's world we must remain ever ready for every situation. Whether we remain at home or on a move, we need to have some emergency kits with us, which might save our lives in case of emergency. Yes, you have guessed it correct. Today, I am going to tell you about the first aid kit. I have come to you with a brand new episode with the basic understanding of first aid kits. Please watch this video till the end. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel Arnab's World by pressing the bell button. I am very sure that we all have seen these first aid boxes at different places like home, at vehicles, at clinics, etc. But at times we have seen that these first aid boxes are of no use because of few reasons. The medicines gets expired after remaining idle at home for long, or no adequate medicines are available to cater to the basic need requirements in case of any cuts or wounds or any case of any other external injury. We have different kinds of first aid boxes of different shapes and sizes with different prices, which are available at different shops or can be bought online. But many a times we find that these ready-made boxes that we buy along with medicines does not contain adequate medicines, or we find that there could have been some more effective medicines that could have been kept. As a result, we end up accumulating more medicines of our choice in the same box, spending more and more money over and above the original cost of the box. Friends, now I am going to give you a very simple solution for this problem, where we will feel satisfied with our new creation. We will feel proud too that now we are ready to cater to at least the basic requirements at any emergency. Friends, we must always keep in mind that we must keep all these medicines as per the doctor's advice, as there are many restrictions for many people on medication for some chronic illness. Also, we must rush to the nearest hospital and take expert medical advice as soon as possible. We first understand that first aid is not a replacement to external medical practitioners' advice. It is just a primary treatment. While we come back to the main topic, we can keep in mind two things before selecting the medicines to be kept in the box. Firstly, some general medicines which can be obtained over the counter from medical shops, and some tools by which we can treat minor cuts, wounds, burns, etc. Friends, as you can see, this is my first aid box which I keep at home that contains basic medicines. I had purchased this box with only ₹40. Now I will show you the medicines I keep in my box. You can keep medicines as per your choice. First, I will show you the general medicines like Calpol 650, which is used to relieve pain and to reduce fever. Also, this can be used in headache, body aches and common cold. Metrogyl 400. It is an antibiotic for fighting infections caused by bacteria and parasites. Avomine for treatment of nausea and vomiting. Omez D, taken for abdominal pain and easing of stomach discomfort. Saridon for treating mild pain such as headache. Unienzyme, used for treatment of indigestion, bloating or any stomach discomfort. Rantac 300, used for treatment of acid in stomach. Pantop DSR, used for treating acute acidity or to relieve stomach pain or heartburn. Painkillers like Boveran SR 100, this is a pain relieving medicine. Please remember, care should be taken for using painkillers and to be taken as per doctor's advice only. Digene, for relief from acidity and gas. Hyphenac P, for relieving pain and inflammation. Eno, for quick relief from acidity and gastric discomfort. Electral powder very important for rehydration is an ORS. Now I will show you my dressing tools that I have kept in this box. First is the pain relieving spray. Many sprays are available like Bolini, Omnigel, Move, etc. Antiseptic liquid, Dettol, Savlon and so many other companies available in the market. Cotton. Care should be taken to keep this under packing. Washproof band-aid, cotton buds, gauze bandages, crepe bandages may be kept here. Scissors. Care should be taken that it is clean and sterilized. Antiseptic cream or ointment, Silverex, Betadine or any other available can be kept. And Leucoplast. Here hand sanitizer may also be kept for better hygiene. Apart from all these medicines, there are few other things like thermometer, any other essential medicines for small kids or elderly people that you think is essential can be kept in that box. Please remember that it is your own box and you can keep all those medicines that you think should be kept. Just remember one thing, the box should be as small and handy so that it can be carried to anywhere. Now friends, I will tell you the 3 most important tips that will be very much beneficial to you. Number 1, always keep a pen and paper in the box. Always write down the medicines and their uses and keep in that box. This will be very beneficial at times when you yourself is sick or not in a position to help anyone else. Anyone can get the correct medicines by following the writing on the paper. Number 2, always check the medicines periodically for expiry dates and keep the medicines which are within the expiry dates only. Number 3, replenish the medicines as and when required. Friends, as we come to the end of this video, I want to extend my gratitude towards you for watching this video till the end. I thank you from the core of my heart. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel Arnab's World by pressing the bell button. I will be back with my next exciting video very soon. Till then, please do not forget to send me your questions, suggestions so that I can incorporate those in my next video to make more exciting. Thank you all. Stay safe.